Women are stupid and I don't respect them. That's right, I just have sex with them. Show me your genitals. Your genitals.
What?
Show me your genitals.
Genitalia.
Show me your genitals. Your genitals.
What?
Show me your genitals.
Genitalia.
You're talking to me about stuff. Why? I'd rather see your titties. Now you're talking about other stuff. Why? I'd much rather see your titties. I can't have sex with your personality, and I can't put my penis in your college degree, and I can't shove my fist in your childhood dreams. So why you sharing all this information with me? It's not sexist cause I'm saying it in a song. That's right, bitch. Now take off your thong and show me your genitals. Your genitals.
What?
Show me your genitals.
Your genitalia.
Show me your genitals. Your genitals.
What?
Show me your genitals.
Your genitalia.
Knock knock, who's there? It's me, wondering why you're not naked. Knock knock, who's there? Me again, still wondering why you're not naked. I wanna see your bum, I don't care what you say. No, I don't have feelings, cause feelings are gay. Something, something in the month of May. Bitches love my penis cause it's really big. Girls' brains are much stupider than men's are, so they should always listen to us cause we're smart. Women are only good for 3 things: cooking, cleaning, and vaginas. Show me your genitals. Your genitals.
What?
Show me your genitals.
Your genitalia.
Show me your genitals. Your genitals.
What?
Show me your genitals.
Your genitalia.
I can give good sex to you, cause I'm really good at sex. I can give good sex to you, cause I'm really good at sex. Aw yeah, that's right, shake your bums. I'm out of here, I gotta go have sex with a lot of girls. Yeah, I'm back, bitches. Women are equal and they deserve respect. Just kidding, they should suck my dick. Vagina.
What?
Vagina.
What?
I wanna have sex with your vagina. Vagina.
What?
Vagina.
What?
2 + 2 = vagina. My love is like lightning. It gives girls orgasms. My dick is like an airplane. It gives girls orgasms. I'm the Wayne Gretzky of sexual stuff. I'm the Hulk Hogan of slamming muff. I'm the Indiana Jones of exploring crotch. I'm the Shakespeare of enormous cock. I'm the Helen Keller of having sex. No, wait, that's a bad example. Why did my penis cross the road? To get to the other vagina.
What?
Vagina.
What?
I wanna have sex with your vagina. Vagina.
What?
Vagina.
What?
E = MC vagina. I've got a present for you right here. Actually, it's not a present, it's my penis, and I like to call it the spear. Cause spears are long and hard, just like my penis. I don't like it when you talk, cause that just means you're not sucking my cock. Love is for girls and gays. If you wanna be with me, it goes one of 2 ways. Either you have sex with me, or you have sex with me. I have really good sex moves that I learned in China. I'm a sexual tiger, and I feed on vagina. Vagina.
What?
Vagina.
What?
I wanna have sex with your vagina. Vagina.
What?
Vagina.
What?
What time is it? It's vagina. What's the difference between a girl's mouth and a girl's vagina? There is none. I want my penis to be inside both of those things. I'm a good sex man. Girls love my sex. I'm a good sex man, 'cause my sex is the best. I'm like Jean-Claude Van Damme, but instead of fighting people, I have sex with them.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
Nothing special about me, motherfucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
When I go to the clubs, I wait in line, motherfucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
I got $600 in the bank, motherfucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
And my sexual performances are average. I work in customer service for a phone company. I make $12 an hour, but that's all I need. I live in a small apartment on a quiet street. I don't go out too much, I like to watch TV. I can't afford a car, I use public transportation. I don't mind, I read till I reach my destination. Sometimes a newspaper, sometimes a book. The amount of money I save, this shit is off the hook. And I'm not very good with the women. I'm a pretty shy person and I'm average looking. Last time I had sex was in 2003, and I'm ashamed to admit, but it wasn't free.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
I get nervous in social situations, motherfucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
I get constipated once a month, motherfucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
And I make pretty good spaghetti sauce, motherfucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
And I get scared when I go see the dentist. I'm the Pauly Shore of everyday life, easily forgettable, and I'm not very light. I have an according to Jim personality. I'm as entertaining as a fucking STD. If you wanna mess with me, I think you probably can, because I'm not confident and I'm weak for a man. I'll just roll up in a ball while you kick me in the back. Yeah, honestly, I probably won't fight back. And I don't have many friends that would back me up. My friend Steve would, but he doesn't look very tough.
You want some of this, bitch?
If you rarely get laid, put your hands up. If you're not well paid, put your hands up. If you got a pet cat, put your hands up. And if you got a bad back, put your hands up.
I hurt my back 2 summers ago moving a fridge, and ever since then it's not the same. You know, it gets pretty sore.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
My parents are really nice people, motherfucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
I'm somewhat afraid of heights, motherfucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
I like the show Grey's Anatomy, motherfucker.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal guy.
And I'm pretty good at making paper planes.
I could do this all day. I could do this all day. I could do this all day.
Some guys are good at talking
the girls. Some guys have all the money in the world. Some guys wear fancy shoes and pants. I'm not one of those guys, but baby, I can dance, 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 dance. 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 Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Some guys have friends and they do high fives. Some guys have parents that are still alive. Some guys don't sit when they pee, they stand. I'm not one of those guys, but baby, I can dance, 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 dance. 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 Everybody, let's count to 10. 1, all you gotta do is watch me dance. 2, keep watching me dance. 3, 4.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I don't actually have lyrics for this part. Kind of got carried away. Thought we should do a counting thing, but that's my bad. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that. Can we just maybe cut back to the chorus?
Dance, 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 dance. I can dance, 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 dance. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Some guys have money that they've invested. Some guys were never molested. I was though, but hey.
Stop touching the children. We gotta stop touching the children.
Catholic Church, we're looking in your direction.
We gotta stop touching the children.
We're not pointing fingers, but damn, your track record is bad and getting worse.
We gotta stop touching the children.
Vatican, more like old men touching children can. Dance, 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 dance. I can dance, 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 dance. I can dance, 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 dance. I can dance, 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 dance. Taking a nap, I attack motherfuckers wearing purple backpacks, and I snack on towel racks and take a shit on your track. Yeah, you whack, cause everybody understands what you say. But when I get on the mic, I make milk out of clay, and I play air guitar with a tube of toothpaste, and I say karate pencil case, then put it on tape. Yo, I'm MC Insecure, what's up? I really don't think that I'm good enough to be rhyming on this track, cause my lyrics suck. All my verses fall flat like a hockey puck. It took me 7 months to write the first part of my verse, and now I got nothing left, so I'll pretend that I got hurt. Ow! Oh, I think I sprained my ankle. You guys go ahead and finish the song without me. Yo, MC Amnesia up in this bitch. Woke up 5 days ago, lying in the ditch. Didn't know who I was, I couldn't remember shit. Apparently something happened that was traumatic. I used to have more rhymes, but I can't remember them. Seriously, I'm freaking out, I can't remember anything. What's my motherfucking name? Seriously, does anyone know what my name is? Yo, I'm
abomination, what? I take a fucking piss on the fucking sidewalk. Anytime, any place, I just whip out my cock and empty my bladder while you motherfuckers watch. You other MCs can't handle this shit. You're just a little bitch afraid to pee in public. You run into a toilet every time you have to piss. Yo, fuck that shit, I just whip out my dick.
Yo, MC fatigue, yeah, that's me. Every time I grab the mic, I fucking fall asleep.
I'm the guy who sings the chorus. It breaks up the song. My part is kinda boring. I wish that I could go home, but they're paying me to sing the chorus, and I really need the cash, 'cause I'm unemployed at the moment. Just moved back in with my dad. Yo, I'm MC, doesn't know what irony is. Walked up to a girl and I gave her a kiss. She said, let's go to your place, I'll suck your dick. I said, hell yeah, bitch, that's so ironic.
Yo, I'm MC, get sidetracked easily. My rhymes are badass like Gandolfini. You know he's known for The Sopranos, but he's also in movies like Get Shorty and Terminal Velocity, which I didn't really like, cause I don't like Charlie Sheen. Well, I guess in Hot Shots he was kinda funny, but I prefer Leslie Nielsen in The Naked Gun. You know who else was in that movie? O.J. Simpson, which is kinda weird knowing what he did after that. Wait, what was I saying? I think I got sidetracked.
Yo, I'm MC, Lethal Weapon 1, 2, and 3. I really like those movies, but the fourth disappointed me. Danny Glover, Mel Gibson, and Joe Pesci. Why did they have to make a four? They had a perfect trilogy. MC Lethal Weapon 4, that's me. I disagree with MC Lethal Weapon 1, 2, and 3. Although I agree that it is a groundbreaking trilogy. The 4 was awesome because they added Chris Rock and Jet Li.
Yo, I'm MC, shit my pants frequently. It usually happens when I'm walking down the street, or when I'm hanging out with some fly ass hoes. There we go, thank God I brought a change of clothes.
Yo, I'm the MC with the final verse. I'm supposed to sum up everything you heard, but motherfuckers, I don't really have the time. So fuck that and come back to the chorus guy. I'm still singing the chorus. Thank God we're almost done. I hate singing the chorus. It's such a boring fucking job. I'm gonna take my 40 bucks. That's what they're paying me. And I'm gonna go get really drunk. Masturbate then go to sleep.
Wait a minute. I remember what happened now. You guys raped me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we did.
kinda fucking raped you.
Yeah, we did. What? No wonder I couldn't remember anything. I thought you guys were my friends. That is not cool.
No, it's ironic.
No, it's not ironic. I don't think you understand. Dude, could you stop peeing while I'm talking? And what the fuck is that? Did someone shit their pants?
Yep.
He doesn't know where he was last night. He's not sure where he is right now. But he's 4 games up in his fantasy football league. And the real abomination, he doesn't even care.
Laka, laka, laka. In my stomach, so good, so good.
The League premieres Thursday, October 29th, only on FX.
Girl, I'm a sexually attractive man. That makes me a good artist. This is my new single. I hope you like it.
Wealthy men hired me to sing this song that they wrote for me. They're investing in this pricey music video, and they're paying to get it played on the radio.
On the radio.
And they're gonna sell 1 million.
1 million.
Yes, it's gonna go platinum. 'Cause they'll market this song to young, impressionable, and insecure teenage girls. 'Cause all you gotta say is, ooh baby, I love you, ooh girl, I need you in my world. Yes, they'll market this song to young, impressionable, and insecure teenage girls. 'Cause all they gotta do is find a sexually attractive man that can sing all the words.
And now the token rap verse that doesn't make any sense, but helps to get a small percentage of the urban music market.
Hey baby, baby, I can tell that you are crazy, crazy. Shake that ass, girl, my rhymes are getting lazy, lazy. Those things I'm talking about have nothing to do with the song, baby. But it don't matter, won't you show me that thong, baby? That's how it works in the pop music industry. 2010, motherfucker, that's just how it is. Market this song to young, impressionable, and insecure teenage girls. Cause all you gotta say is, ooh baby, I love you, ooh girl, I need you in my world. Yes, I'll market this song to young, impressionable, and insecure teenage girls. Cause all they gotta do is find a sexually attractive man that can sing all the words. Now I'm singing with my gay voice to let you know that I am sensitive. Oh yeah, I'm singing with my gay voice. Teenage girls love a sensitive voice. And you know I wanna make money, money, make money, money, make money, make money, money, make money, money, make money, make rich men making money off of their investment. Oh, it's so sexual, baby. Girl, I love you so much. I wish we could be together. Unfortunately, we can't because I'm rich and famous and you're not. But why don't you just go out and buy my album? And tell your friends about it too, so that they also go out and buy it.
Historical inaccuracy. I drop lyrical bombs like Hiroshima in 73. I write rhymes like Shakespeare when he wrote Anne Frank's diary, which is about the Civil War of 1812 in Germany. I'm like the Spanish Inquisition when they killed Jesus, and Abe Lincoln suicide was the theme for my thesis. Like Moses when I focus, I could split the Red Sea like he did in 1950 with the Chinese army.
I'm MC, don't know how to pluralize words. I got so many rhymes and I sleep with all the girls. When there's more than one of something, you're supposed to pluralize. But I never learned that throughout all the year I've been alive.
Hello, MMC Canadian stereotype. I'm about to get started, so let me get off the ice. But I don't want any trouble, and I am always polite. Now let's hop on my snowmobile, and I will tell you what I like. But first, I'll turn off curling and turn down Avril Lavigne. Et je vais dire une phrase en français parce qu'ici on est bilingue. Oh boy, I fell off my igloo and I hurt my knee. Let's go to the hospital. Don't worry, here in Canada it's free, eh?
MC fatigue, did you miss me? I'll be awake for 5 minutes cause I had a coffee. I'll try to get through my verse, but I really don't know. I drank that coffee about 5 minutes ago. They hired me again to sing this motherfucking chorus. I haven't found a fucking job yet, so I gotta do this bullshit. I can't take it, I'm done. I don't think that I can sing another fucking chorus. I think I'm gonna jump off a bridge or shoot myself like Kurt Cobain did. I think my dad has a gun. I'm MC, knows too many facts about bees. 50 miles an hour is their average speed. A queen can lay up to 3,000 eggs in a day. Just cause I know a lot about bees doesn't mean that I'm gay. I'm also MC in the closet, homosexual. I hide it cause it's easier to be heterosexual. We can't even get married in most states here in America. It's fucked up.
Gay marriage is legal here in Canada.
I'm MC, homophobic fucking asshole. Being gay is evil and it is unnatural. Jesus said to love thy neighbor, but only if they are straight. Penises go in vaginas, anything else is just insane.
I'm MC, extremely inappropriate rhymes.
I shake things up like J Fox when I get on the mic, and I drop my enemies just like Christopher Reeve's horse. Then I put them to sleep like Heath Ledger, of course.
Whoa! I'm MC extremely politically correct. I disagree with the previous MC's lyrical content. It's offensive, insensitive, and in very bad taste. Just like that guy who wrote that song when Michael Jackson passed away.
Yo, MC final verse, here to end the song. One was enough, we didn't need a sequel. John, make a fourth, show me your genitals or another normal guy. But for now, let's end this stupid song with a suicide.
This is the last time that I will ever sing a chorus. My dad's gun was in his closet, and I'm gonna end this bullshit.
I had a good run.
I'm gonna pull the trigger as soon as I finish the chorus. Sayonara and farewell. I guess I'll see you all in hell.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, course guy killed himself. Just like John Lennon and JFK. And O.J. Simpson's wife. Only one bullet? It takes 1,000 bee stings to kill a man. That is a lot of bee. There's more blood than a rubber hose bottle of foot. Shut up, queer fags. We don't tolerate that kind of hateful language in Canada. I'm gonna go call an ambulance.
Who's gonna sing the chorus from now on?
Hey. You can't spell chorus without vagina. WTF Collective? More like WTF Sausage Fest.
You want some of this, bitch? You never get it. It's gonna go right in my asshole.
I can run 100 miles without stopping for rest. I can stay underwater for 5 minutes on a single breath. When I focus my mind, I always reach my goal. But there's one thing I cannot control. I come too fast, I come too fast. A couple strokes and my erection is a thing of the past. I come too fast, I come too fast. Sometimes it's even game over before I take off my pants. I've read all the articles and I've tried every trick, thinking of sports or of naked Kathy Bates and about Schmidt. If the girl's on top, sometimes I'll last a minute or two. But if we doggy style, oh man, I'm screwed. I come too fast, I come too fast. I carry a spare pair of underwear in case a girl sits on my lap. I come too fast, I come too fast. I swear I'll even shoot my load if a fly lands on my shaft. Oh, damn it.
This video was brought to you by shamelessly advertising my own merchandise in my videos.
It starts off like 1,000 other songs that you've heard before, except in this one they do a little do. So you try to change the station, but it's playing on everyone. A bunch of shitty ass chords and lyrics recorded by a fucking moron. And you assume that the general public is not that stupid. You're positive that nobody will want to listen to this, but you are wrong. They want another stupid motherfucking lame cocksucking cookie cutter radio friendly song, and everyone sings along in their cars and at the mall and at the office. They all love the new radio friendly song. Unoriginal melody. Why did John Lennon have to be the one to get shot? Something's wrong. While these douchebags are all still alive, singing these ass-licking songs. All these fucking unoriginal pussies that don't have anything to say. I'm not homophobic, but this song is so fucking gay. You can barely retain the vomit that's rising in your throat. And you assume that everyone will think that this song's terrible, but you are wrong. They want another stupid motherfucking lame cocksucking cookie cutter radio friendly song, and everyone sings along in their cars and at the mall and at the office. They all love the new radio friendly piece of shit. Oh, what a sucky ass piece of shit. I'd rather shoot myself in the face than listen to this corporate bitch singing a stupid motherfucking lame cocksucking cookie cutter radio friendly piece of shit. God, I hate this shit. Oh my god, did you hear about Michael Jackson? Yeah, I heard about Michael Jackson. It's crazy, right? Yeah, I can't believe it. All of a sudden, the media is on his side. I know, it's crazy, right? Michael Jackson is dead. Don't pretend you give a shit, you motherfucking hypocrites. Remember what you said he did. Michael Jackson is dead. No, you never gave a shit, so why are you pretending, you motherfucking hypocrites? Michael Jackson's such a freak, you'd hear it 1,000 times a week on every fucking TV screen and every fucking magazine. Yeah, sure, we liked him for a while, for a few years when he was in style. Then someone said he's a pedophile, and fucking boys is what makes him smile. Then there was a punchline every day about his Skeletor-like face and how he loved 12-year-old balls. We didn't care if it was true or false. So don't pretend that you give a fuck. Keep talking about how he's
sucked 12-year-old cock and went from being a cute little black kid and died as a white skeleton robot. Michael Jackson is dead, don't pretend you give a shit, you motherfucking hypocrites. Remember what you said he did. Michael Jackson is dead, no, you never gave a shit, so why are you pretending, you motherfucking hypocrites? Remember when he dangled his kid from a balcony? I wasn't hearing you call him legendary, and when we heard that shit about the Culkin kid, we said, oh my god, Jacko's motherfucking sick. He likes fucking kids, he likes fucking kids. Nobody was talking about his music. Now if I say he died choking on a kid's dick, you say, oh my god, that's so offensive. Well fuck you, you motherfucking cunt ass bitch. Everyone in the news, you hit a motherfucking crit. On your high horse saying that I'm a demon, cause I say he overdosed on a boy's semen. Jackson is dead, don't pretend you give a shit, you motherfucking hypocrites. Remember what you said he did. Michael Jackson is dead, no, you never gave a shit, so why are you pretending, you motherfucking hypocrites? Oh, we're so sad that Michael passed away. We loved him so much. Really did you love him? Cause from where I'm standing, it kind of looked like you hated him and that you called him freak and that you wanted him to die. But now that he's dead, you love him, and he's a legend, and it's so amazing, and we love Michael Jackson. How about you go fuck yourself, you big bunch of fucking hypocrites? Here, I'm gonna do this for you. I'll do this for you. Billie Jean was not his lover. Of course she wasn't. She had a vagina, and she was older than 12 years old. Fuck you, hypocrites. Hostage tonight. Whether you're English, French, Japanese, or German, whether you're at home or at a movie with Pee Wee Herman, we all take matters into our own hands. With the five-finger army, we invade our pants. We'd all be doing time. We'd all be doing time if it was a crime to masturbate. On the clitor tonight.
That Marissa Tomei is hot.
Our genitals are Juliet, our hands are Romeo. I'm gonna play ball on Team Penis tonight.
Wealthy men hired me to sing this song that they wrote for me. They're investing in this pricey music video, and they're paying to get it played on the radio. And they're gonna sell a million. Yes, it's gonna go platinum. 'Cause they market this song to young, impressionable, and insecure teenage girls. 'Cause all you gotta say is, ooh baby, I love you, ooh girl, I need you in my world. Yes, they market this song to young, impressionable, and insecure teenage girls. 'Cause all they gotta do is find a sexually attractive man that can sing all the words.
You want some more of this, bitch? Back in the easy, we could do this all year long.
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I told you in the first song, I'll tell you in another. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I don't have a girlfriend, my hand's my only lover. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. One night a week, my mom likes to cook me supper. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. And Michael Keaton was my favorite Batman. I was walking down the street just the other day. I saw these two fine bitches, they were walking my way. Yo, what you girls doing tonight is what I wanted to say. But suddenly I panicked, my voice started to shake. So I put my head down and I just walked away. I had a bus to catch anyway, it worked out great. Got on the bus, put my headphones on and pressed play. Sheryl Crow, James Blunt, a motherfucking Ace of Base. Yo, what can I say? It's just a day in my life. I'm up early in the morning, in bed early at night. To be productive at work, I gotta be well rested. Yeah, motherfucker, you heard what I just said. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I don't like margarine, I much prefer the taste of butter. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. My favorite movies as a kid were Superman and Ghostbusters. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I have a hard time opening my eyes underwater. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. And I'm not a huge Nicolas Cage fan. I'm from a lower middle class family. Me and my brothers and sisters played hide and seek. I have good memories from my childhood, bitch. My favorite toy was my fucking fire truck, bitch. I used to play with that motherfucker all day long until I learned about sex from the Sears catalog. And then I played with my motherfucker all day long. About 10 times a day, man, all year long. My favorite song, motherfucker, I don't like to admit it, is a Celine Dion song from the movie Titanic. Every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. Every time I hear that fucking shit, a tear comes to my eye. Why the fuck did Leonardo DiCaprio have to die? No, I'm not afraid to say that I'm a sensitive guy. Sticks and stones break my bones, but it's the words that make me cry. Like that time in grade 3 when a girl called me stupid face. She really hurt me. Why'd she call me stupid face? Is my face stupid? How's that even possible? A person can be stupid, but a face, that's impossible. Shit happens all the time and you learn how to deal with it. Regular, everyday, normal fucking bullshit. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. When I get into a fight, I usually leave on a stretcher. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. When I got nothing to say, I usually talk about the weather. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I like the first Back to the Future, but the second one was better. I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I like red peppers better than the green ones. Ooh, saving up my money to go buy a new dishwasher. Mine broke about 6 months ago. Motherfucker. Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. Go party like it's your birthday. I wasn't invited, but it's okay. I'll just stay at home and play some video games.
You want some of this? Come on, get it.